There are many different kinds of busks. The most commonly used are the straight busk and the spoon busk.
A busk has a right side and a wrong side. Now also center and outside. This is important because the posts are set off center. You want to make sure that when you're installing it, everything is sitting in the right place. Generally, the loops are put on the right side of the body and the posts on the left. I'm going to show you two ways to install the loops. The first way involves buttonholes. You're going to lay your busk on your garment with the center line right next to the edge of the busk and then mark exactly where the loops are falling. So here they are marked. I'm going to put buttonholes in between each of these, but of course I want the buttonhole to happen from the face, so I'm going to thread mark each of them and flip it over. So here are the buttonholes thread marked.
And here they are stitched.
Don't forget the trick of changing the foot on the machine to a buttonhole foot and hooking the thread through the extra loop in the bobbin. And here's the busk sliding into the buttonholes. Remember that the side with the little two dots is the underside, and this is the face. This technique is like the other one in that we're marking the center line and laying the busk on top to find the location of the spaces, but it's done at the beginning of creating the garment. So I have laid the face sides together and I'm going to stitch center front down here, leave a gap, here, leave a gap, etc. So here it is stitched with a gap for the spaces for the loops to come through. I've pressed it flat and then open and then just slightly cheated the face to the outside. For the post side, I have my center line thread marked and then a line 1/8 of an inch into the body of the garment chalk marked because that is where the posts sit. And now I'm laying out my loops so that they line up exactly with the center front and also with the top and bottom of the garment. And then I'll mark the center of each loop. Now I have cross marks where the posts need to go.
Poke a hole with an awl at the cross mark. With a double thread knotted at the end, slide a needle between the layers and backstitch around the hole. Trim just a few threads from the interior of the hole. If you make it too big, it will look like this. If you make it too small, the post won't fit through.